In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube logo in Canva. So if you want to go and create your own personal logo for your YouTube channel, then we can do this completely for free on the Canva website. So first, just open an internet browser and type in canva.com and make sure you're signed in to your Canva account. If you don't already have one of these, then you can go and create one completely for free. Now, once you're on the home page, click on this search box and type in YouTube logo and hit enter. Now, if you scroll down to the Canva templates, you can go and choose from any of these free templates that you can use. Now, some of these you do have to have the Canva Pro subscription before you can use them. So basically, any of these images with the word Pro next to them, it means you need to have Canva Premium. But if you see any templates here without this Pro in the bottom right hand side, it means you can go and use this completely for free. So that's the first thing you can basically do, is just scroll through this list and find a logo that you like the look of. Now, it doesn't need to be exactly what you're looking for because we can change this in a second. So let's say, for example, this logo here is the one that we wanted to use for YouTube. You could simply click on it like so and click on customize this template. Now from here, you can go and customize all of the different elements that make up this logo. So for example, you can click on the text down here and then you can go and type in your own custom text. You could also change the image as well just by clicking on uploads in the left hand side, and then you can go and upload your own media and images and you can drag that into the template like so. Now, of course, you can select most of these templates as well, and you can change things like the color and style of things. But let's say, for example, you wanted to go and create your own unique logo that hasn't already been used by thousands of people. Well, what you could do is click back on File in the top navigation, click on Create New Design, click on Custom Size, and we're just going to give our logo the dimensions of 800 by 800 pixels, which is the dimensions for a YouTube channel logo, and click on Create New Design. Now, obviously, you can come over to the left-hand navigation and you can begin creating your logo. You can add things like shapes and text and your own media as well. But the thing that I like to do to make this a whole lot easier is to scroll down on the left-hand navigation and click on AI Image Generator. Now what you can go and do is type in some instructions for your logo. So let's say, for example, I could write something like, I want to create a logo about space, make it look HD and have the word space on the logo. Use lots of green and yellow colors. But basically, the more specific you are in this description, the better your logo is going to appear. So now we can click on Create. And now we have our very own custom logo. Now, it doesn't always get this right straight away, so you might need to make changes to this just by coming back over to the description box and typing in a new description. Once you're happy with your logo, you can click on Share in the top right hand side and you can go and download this to your computer. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.